Hi there, students. I had a question from Seema about what's the difference between ex and former. Okay, let's see. I think the technical difference is ex means the previous one, the last person who occupied that place, whereas former may be the most recent one, or it may be one of the previous ones. So, for example, Mr. Trump is ex-president of the United States, whereas Bill Clinton is former president of the United States. Okay? Now, with these two words, the words a, an and the are very important, because if you say the former, it means the previous one, whereas a former, one of the previous ones. Okay, so Bill Clinton is a former president. Mr. Trump is the former president or the ex-president. Yeah? So, can you say an ex-president? Yes, you probably can, and that means one of the others. So, what's the difference between these two words? I think at the end of the day, if you use a or the, then all differences have been obviated, have been got rid of. Notice, let's see. My ex-girlfriend, the most recent one, she's my former girlfriend. Maybe she's my ex, or maybe she's one of the ones previous to it. Okay? And I think that's the only real difference I can find with these two. And I think the words a, an and the are more important. An ex, one of the previous ones. The ex, the most recent. A former, one of the previous ones. The former, the most recent. And I think that's really the difference between the two. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ex versus former.